It's been a while when I was here last time, maybe 2 or even 3 months ago. This is the Kuta Square in Bali. The big buses are come back with the tourists, actually a lot of, especially in Ramayana Hotel over here and everything. But the biggest change over here is this one, the construction of the new art market in Kuta. It's totally closed, it's totally gone, and there will be the totally new one in the future. And the construction actually is pretty in progress, in advanced. And the interesting fact is they're doing that right now in Kuta and in Ubud at the same time. So I think they got a special budget for that. Meanwhile, I'm gonna show you a little bit around the Kuta today. I'm gonna go to the Kuta beach and show you Kuta Square. Let's see. A lot of changes, that's for sure. Basically, they already demolished the full market and the construction is going on. There will be new one, the 3-story one with the parking. Well, that's very interesting as they are changing a lot of right now. So the sellers gone from this market. The others from the other side of the street still left. They have shops over here. However, I don't know what's happened with the rest. There was so many actually of them around. And meanwhile, that's how it looks like, the construction. Actually, when I'm passing right now, maybe 1 or 2 sellers only left. All of them, they gone already. So I'm going to the Kuta beach now. And this is some stalls next to the, thank you, next to the Pantai Kuta, next to the Kuta beach entrance. So a lot of changes. I've been really like 2 months ago, maybe 3 months ago here last time. And the warung's also gone on the beach. There is actually more changes going on around than I was expecting, to be honest. I heard they're gonna build some promenade over here starting from Tuban up to Seminyak or Canggu. Somebody said also there will be the tram. However, there's so many rumors around, definitely there will be promenade, and definitely the construction is started already. Yo, what's up, Dogo, how you doing? But a lot of changes, and I don't see tourists around, maybe probably because of the construction, right? And it's morning, 9 o'clock. All right, and when you go a little bit more deep inside, there is situation of the boys who are selling the bintangs and coconuts. Some of them, they are still here, but there is the fence on the other side. And I think they build a sample how that's gonna look like in the future, like in Sun, or pretty the same style. All the way, all the way.
On the bridge, many already.
Yeah.
Only until in Hard Rock and Seminyak already good.
From up to Seminyak, all the time.
Yeah.
All. People get it. All right, up to Seminyak, right?
Yeah.
All right, let's see.
This renovasi.
Renovasi.
On the beach. Renovasi on the beach.
All right.
Mall.
All right, let's see. The guy what you saw standing on the new sample of the promenade, he just confirmed what I said, as that's gonna be start from Tuban up to Seminyak. Everywhere there will be new promenade, guys. Looks pretty nice. I think it's the refreshment is good. However, I will ask some boys on the beach what they are thinking about that, and you can also let me know. But changes are good, I think. The nice promenade here will be nice. Also, yo! No time no see. The changes I think are important. I hope so the boys gonna stay here. I also hope the wall what is everywhere around, they will also gone. Sam, yo, what's up? But the wall could gone because other countries in Southeast Asia don't have walls like this, and it looks actually pretty nice when you have a view from the street and you can walk, wide promenade, nice, and also they have stars with the drinks, stuff like this. That could be nice, right? Meanwhile, this is the situation of the beach bars next to the Grand Ina Hotel and Grand Ina Hotel itself. During the breakfast time, there are some tourists actually around, having a breakfast, coming, walking around, and the promenade will stay in the same place where is it. Because you can see everywhere there is like a STA 245, that's the number, so this is the border of the promenade. But basically will be the same size, it's just the new one. Hello, 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 how are you?
Good.
A nice t-shirt, she will be right. How's the life? All good?
All good.
You excited about new promenade here?
Yep.
Yeah?
Good.
More people attract, right?
Yep.
Exactly, I'm thinking the same. Oh,
Where
look
you
at
been?
I was in Malaysia for a month. Look at this doggo, so nice. Hello!
I'm not see you.
Jimmy said as there is the wave here was a few days ago, and check this out, what's happened with the beach. It's like this. Yes, Jimmy? Here we go. You look so sleepy, tired. Yeah, I mean, that's how it looks. Kuta beach at morning, actually pretty nice. A lot of changes everywhere, I could say. Well, check this out. But Jimmy said as you don't need to worry, the bars will... Timmy, Jimmy, my bad, Timmy. All right. Timmy said as you don't need to worry because the bars and everything will stay the same. This is just a reconstruction of the promenade, exactly the same thing what's happened in Sanur, because in Sanur happened exactly the same. So nothing will change, like they're not gonna go on summer or something, it's just new promenade. And hopefully no wall. What do you think? The wall will be still or like the wall probably will be the same. It's just basically the new art market in Kuta because they already demolished it and new promenade, so should be fine. And at the same time I just realized is this beach actually is getting smaller and smaller each time because check this out, this is the big trees what are here for already many decades and they are already corners of the trees down there, so that's actually changing a lot and that's a natural thing. So I think somebody have to do something with the beach in the near future, otherwise I don't know where it's gonna be beach, right? It's gonna go on. I don't know, the changes are like this. It was good to having a look on the Kuta beach in Bali. And some of you might love it, some of you might hate it, however without doubts this is very popular landmark and hotspot in Bali, especially this gate behind me. I spoke with the boys there, with Timmy. They're gonna stay there, so nothing really will change. Basically, the officials got the special budget to change the art markets in Bali, build the promenades in Bali, which is that these changes are actually pretty good. The rest of the business will just simply stay there how is it, so you don't need to worry about that. Only the problem is with the waves. The beach is getting smaller and smaller because the trees already are like washed of the trees. So yeah. Meanwhile, the situation here, heading back to the Kuta Square. This is the Grand Inn Hotel. Pretty busy, I could say. It's 9:30 at morning. Maybe not so many people walking on the streets. That's actually for sure. But so many big buses already with the tourists heading somewhere. That's unbelievable. Also the Kuta is very popular for the local tourists, so these buses are more likely coming actually with the tourists, local domestic tourists from other parts of Indonesia. Also in the hotels, also many local people. Grand Inn Kuta, guys, and the overall situation of Kuta beach. There's some also international tourists walking on the streets, of course, and it's getting hot in Kuta at morning. It's obviously very hot. Here we go, last look of the Grand Inn, guys. And this is the outside, the Jamie Oliver and Hard Rock Kuta. The traffic situation at morning, like literally it's 9 o'clock at morning, is actually pretty advanced, I could say. So that's one of the reasons why I didn't come here during the sunset time, because if I came here during the sunset time, I'm gonna stuck here for like 2 hours just on this street going to beach walk. And gonna take me like 6 hours to get out, make a trip around. So it's just very crowded already afternoon. So, yes, video, my friend. Yo, what's up?
You from?
I'm from Europe, actually.
Euro. How are you? Come to Bali.
Come to Bali,
Come
guys.
to Bali, guys. Bali is nice. Bali open.
Bali open, Bali
Yeah,
nice, Bali no
nice.
problem.
Bali no problem.
And
Where you go now?
I just go home.
This one market.
Thank you so
yeah.
much,
Take
my friend.
photo.
Thank you. Okay. How you doing, brother? Always well.
Bali is good.
Bali
Come to
is
Bali,
good.
yeah?
Always happy people in Kuta, guys. Always. And meanwhile, the KFC in Kuta Square, the KFC is still open. However, the shops in Kuta Square seems remains very quiet, and most of them they are closed. I'm not sure if they're gonna do any refurbishments here, like we're doing the Kuta art market just next corner. However, most of the shops here actually are for rent. Some of them open. Thank you, brother. Many people are trying to sell you something. Also, it's morning, afternoon is definitely much more busier. And if you guys ask me, is Matahari gonna come back? I don't think so, because the sign is gone already here. However, maybe they're gonna build a totally new department here, but currently the signs are gone and nothing is going on. So, but Matahari shop in other parts of Bali, like in Bali Mall Galleria, also in Kuta, is totally open. Actually, was open all the time, never closed. So if you are in case interested to shop there, you can just go to Bali Mall Galleria and it's fine. Meanwhile, thank you so much for watching today. A lot of changes actually in Kuta, I could say. Wasn't expecting that. Changes are good, but let me know in the comment section what do you think. And meanwhile, thank you so much for listening today, and I will see you tomorrow as always on Next on. See ya, take care.